What you will need to give your RV long-lasting exterior protection with Xzilon. Depending on your water clarity, a DI water system may be required. De-ionized water has a much higher purity than that of distilled water. To obtain a DI water system, we highly recommend using the DI Rinse Pro 100 available online. With the surface prepped, mix 1 part Xzilon Exterior to 3 parts of clean water into the Atomizer reservoir. Spray RV lightly with water to pre-wet the surface. Now begin to spray the entire vehicle with the sprayer about 2 feet away so the mist can adhere to the surface. This will include doors, wheels, and front grille. Then repeat to go over each surface twice. Take the microfiber pad and run it along the surface, breaking the tension of the beaded water, allowing air to move through the product, making it easier to adhere to the surface. Rinse with the DI water for a spot-free finish. Congratulations! Your vehicle has received its exterior layer protection. Now kick back and relax to enjoy your new paint finish.